What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. First things first, if you guys are not subscribed, consider subscribing. I try to post one video a week. I do post car videos, vlogs, stuff like that, so if that's something you guys are interested in, definitely consider subscribing. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Today, that's what we're doing. We're doing a part installation today. So today we're gonna be doing a part installation. I'm heading to the hardware store to get some bolts and nuts and a couple washers. So I've had this diffuser for a pretty good minute now. I took it off of my car because I took it off for paint. I just never reinstalled it, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. The reason I never reinstalled it was because I needed some paint work and you know, body work here and there. So I repainted it. It's not 100% painted good, but it's gonna work out because the bottom you don't really see, so it's gonna be all right. Like I said on the other video, I haven't put it on anymore because, you know, I like driving my car with no worries, and sometimes you know, the diffuser makes the car lower, so which means, you know, it has less clearance underneath, but for the most part I think it should be good. Worst things worse, if I don't like it, I could just take it off. It's pretty much a bolt-on part. But I do like the contrast that it gives in the back. It's got that matte black, and it covers a little bit more of the underneath of the car. So heading to the hardware store, getting the hardware, and installing that spoon splitter. So stay tuned. So y'all, hopefully you guys could hear me. Got the mask on. We're at Home Depot, about to get the hardware and see if we could find something good. So we found the tape. This one holds 15 pounds for 1 pound for 4 inches of tape. So this stuff's pretty strong. So here we go, found the bolts. About 29 cents each. Now time to find some washers. So y'all, found the hardware, about to head back home to install the diffuser. So I ended up just getting 12 washers, 6 bolts, and 6 nuts. And I also picked up tape, like I said. This is some pretty good damn tape. If you want stuff to not come off, then use this stuff, but you're gonna have a hard time taking it off if you don't want it on there, so I wouldn't use that much. Probably just a little bit to hold your stuff, you know, you guys' parts in. You guys could use it on like lips, I don't know, fenders, like fender flares, I don't know. But this stuff is pretty good. Like I use it all the time, and it's pretty tough and it's pretty strong. So we're heading back home, about to install the diffuser, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. So yo, we're back home. So this is the diffuser I'm gonna be installing. You can see it is a little bit dirty because I just had it here, but this is it. I went ahead and repainted it. Did a little bit of spraying on it. There might be some areas that I missed, but I'll be able to touch it up later on. It shouldn't be an issue. But pretty much, it's gonna go underneath my car. I already have pre-drilled bolts on here from the previous time I had it on. I do see a spot where I missed painting it, but like I said, that's not an issue. We could just spray that a little bit and it'll be good. There's some areas where it kind of hits, but like I said, it's just the bottom part, so you don't even see that. But that's what we're gonna be doing today, installing the diffuser on the S2000, so stay tuned. So guys, I got my car up on the jacks. Here, I'll show you guys. So I got the S2000 up on the jacks. Got a little wood block there. I'm gonna show you guys the hardware. So this is pretty much the hardware I'm gonna be using. Got these nylon locking nuts. Again, the washers. So let's get to installing the diffuser. So yo, it's kind of all flappy, but we're doing a little test fit just to see where the exhaust is gonna hit in there. Like I said, I'm gonna be installing a little bit of ceramic tape or wrap there. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So yo, I got the left side on. It's nice and bolted up. You get to see. I didn't put the tape just in case I decide to take it off. But I'm gonna start bolting up the center and the other side, and then I think that should be it. Another thing I forgot to mention that I don't like is that this whole area inside, it gets like a bunch of like little rocks. So that's kind of a mission always to try to clean out. But for the most part, the left side's done. I'm going to be installing the center portion of the diffuser, the little nylon threaded nut. So pretty simple. All you need, or all I needed, was 7/16 socket, and then I'm using a number 11 little wrench. So hopefully you guys can see me here. Little wrench here or whatever. There you go. Well, it's nice and sturdy, as you guys can see. So now we're gonna do the other side. Check the fitment over here. Looks pretty decent. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install the center part and the right side of it, and then I'll let you guys check it out once I got it installed. Pretty much, I didn't use a tape. I'm just gonna use the bolts. I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's installed. What up, y'all? So after like 15 more minutes, finally got it done. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Looks pretty dope. So that's what it's looking like. Bolt to the side, it's over here. It's got 2 bolts down here, 2 here, and then 2 on the other side as well. So it's looking pretty cool. And it is pretty damn sturdy, as you can see. Check it, my hands are all dirty, but it's gonna be a little hard to clean the exhaust from now on while I have this. But check out those little damn rocks that I'm talking about that I hella hate. So I'm gonna clean this up, probably pull the car out, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. That was pretty much it on the installation on the spoon splitter or the spoon diffuser. Hopefully you guys like the vlog. I don't know if the videos are catching the diffuser pretty good, but in person it looks pretty good. So that's pretty much for this vlog. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys consider subscribing for more videos. I'm going to try to upload 1 video a week. So if you guys liked it, subscribe, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace.